Health and safety is an important part of any trade's business, making sure risks are managed, injuries are avoided, and learning when things go wrong. The health and safety feature on Fergus Go can be accessed via the menu button on the bottom right of the screen. In this area, you can see the information that has been set up on Fergus Web, identifying the health and safety officer, any recommended medical centres, and access to view the health and safety policy. Tapping on the Incident tab is where you can record those events while you are on site and see a list of the existing incidents. You can view the details of an existing event by tapping on the card, and from here, you can make any changes needed or delete the incident. To record a new incident, simply tap the Add button, which will open a form allowing you to record the details of what happened. First, select whether the incident was a near miss or an accident, followed by the date it occurred. You can then add a brief description of the incident in the title field, followed by a more detailed account in the description field if needed, but this is optional. Go on to select which staff were involved. By default, you will be a selected employee, but you can change this. And finally, upload any relevant photos. Tap the Save button in the top right corner to save the incident. And that's it for viewing your company's health and safety info and recording incidents via the Fergus Go app. Fergus makes it easy to keep on top of your health and safety information.